Sanibonani guys, how are you guys? Happy Thursday. Abasantsibengi abangangazi igama lami nguJozi. I'm a storyteller. Mawune story sikhulumeze emoyeni sayenzeka even if singayenza ngayo manje but isakayenzeka sakhulumeze emoyeni. So bangakhona ukushare anybody else. Nangu umuntu ozokunceda. Inbox ku TikTok ngizokuthumela inamba la ungashare khona istory sakho. Mina ngize nendlebe, wena uze nendaba, then mina ngize ngapha ngize nendaba, then abantu baze nendlebe then bakuphe advices. Now one story time ye sisiyangibhala Australia. I don't know whether yimi ngihlanyayo or le ndoda ehlanyayo akitsibi but ngibhalela so ngoba ngidinga input kuma followers wakho ukuthi bangincede ukuthi rabotsebotse into ekiyetsang or into engifuna ukuyenza right or wrong na. Sisiyangibhala Australia. Mina ngikholisa ubaba mbeka umuntu omo strict, like very strict. Uthi mina zange ngijole after matric khani vele ngicala vele ukujola because of baba mvele beyasatshena nonsense. So uthi hayi vele bekusele ku like bekusele ku tough Steve, so ngathola umsebenzi kwenyishop vele ko retail. Thola lapho umsebenzi ngahlangana nesigay sa data for almost 4 years. First time si data athanana naye kule unyaka obusifo find out ukuthi uguy upractice someone and nalo someone bekajola naye bekana 3 sajola naye. So the lady pregnant ngabe sengithi hayi you know what ke asihlukane because of uzobona umntwana uri awushoze ngazibheka ngathi you know what ngiyang khani ngicela ujola manje wafuna ukuthi kekene kathoko kadikilana tsika everything mumothong emanhle kahle ke ngijole yabona. Usisi uthi hey ngajola awusithozi ngaba la emo boyfriend uthi ngaba na for ema boyfriend and bonke so bahlala kiko province ngeone mara different places. So utha life bemnandi vele ngisijolela nami ngiyazi-enjoyela ngiyobona ngiyasetha izinto zami kumnani. Uthi kula ama boyfriend lawa lo one lo wabesathi you know what mina sisiwe angifuni i-girlfriend ke batla musadi, so ngifuna umfazi. So indaba ukuthi mina so ba i-boyfriend yakho angeke ngisebenzele, so ke batla musadi. So ukugela uthi ngibona ukuthi lo angiyazi ukuthi mangathi siphatlweni indaba yethu ivele izochaya. So ngivele yakhuluma uthi hayi siyenzeke vele sijole uthi awusithoza umuntu vele ube umuntu vele oba serious kule 4 vele benginayo vele umuntu serious consistent. Ngibona ukuthi no what le 3 le emangiyeke ngisale ngalo uthi ngisale no brothers hayi mina no brothers vele sijole awusithoza brothers one day ngihleli naye athi you know what baby, so sisubhanwara sithi Lindi athi you know what Lindi wena ngathi pregnant yazi ndiwe ngibona ngakhona ngathi pregnant uthi ngithayi unamanga athi no pregnant ngiyakubona mina ngiyakhona ukufila egazini or awusithozi vele ngithi ma pregnancy test mangithi vele kuthiwa ukuthi vele ngikhulelwe hayi vele uguy vele angitshela athi you know what thina ngeskithi kumele ukuthi begini bazo report bazobenzana bazobikisiso yabona. And uguy like uhlala kule province but like uvela ku province sekudeni ikulona. So wathi vele uguy athi you know nginifanele ukuthi baze ekithi, so mina ngizokudirector ngento le ka phone call yabona. Ngizokudirector nge-phone call ukuthi ngizokudirector basekindeni baze bazokhona uku-reporta isiso or awusithosi hayi vele ngitshele basekithi vele sekithi kube ukuthi bathi ayi ekudeni kangaka but sihambe ntombazana sihambe or awusithozi umuntu vele director sifike vele kibo masifike kibo vele bafike vele babikisisa ukuthi inja yenu isidlela amaqanda. So ithini inja yenu hayi vele bathi hayi ubrothers vele angali family vele bavumelana ukuthi hayi sizobona ngomntwana makafika or awusithozi isikhathi siye pregnancy iqhubeke i-pregnancy mayiqhubeka awusithozi ubrothers vele kube ukuthi vele mina naye vele si right so yena like so umuntu vele lo like olengi mina no brothers vele impilo ichubeke kanjalo alright vele umntwana vele afike awushoza umntwana makafika hayi ubrothers vele umntwana makafika ubrothers vele athola umsebenzi province lapho yakhona because bekahlala this side la ngihlala ngakhona athola umsebenzi la vele abiyakhona kube umuntu vele ubhakabhaka zonke vele izinto zakhe abiyele vele relocate ahlala lapho or awushozi hayi vele umuntu plus kusekudena sabona sesiba ku long distance relationship ke manje hayi mina ngizihlalele ekhaya ngikholisa umntwana uthi hayi awusoze kuye umuntu vele imali uyayithumela but akathumela imali enough ukuthi lobona ukuthi imali ikhona ukusustain until ngiphela mina nomntwana. How ngibona ukuthi lo muntu lo ngoba sekudeni la Wathi unyaka wokuqala vele undlule awushozi uyangithumela leyo imali uyangithumela but it's not enough imali. So one time awushozi umuntu vele ngimfonele ngimtshela ukuthi you know what umntwana like uyasheka and ama-pampers aphelile, so bengicela ukuthi uthumele imali yama-pampers so khona ukuthi azongiphusha until inyanga iphela. Guy was like, you know what, lo mntwana lo nawe nginowakho mase ungayenza iplan. Uthi awushozi abese unyathela emsileni nekine igilsheni usinyathele emsileni. Uthi okay ngabona ukuthi you know what auntie borke na mama uthi awusoze nami ngazitholela side nika decide because umuntu ungalena ngakuthi naye uqhuyana ubani impilo nami ngazitholela umuntu ongane ngiphilisana naye decide. Uthi hayi ngimfonela ubrothers yazi umntwana makana ama-pampers ne-stress. Okay, I was like ha usangifonela ngitshela ngama-pampers gibela uze mama uzokuthengela. Uthi awusoze ngifike uthi angifike umuntu athi doba anything that you want gcwala isitrol ura awusoze sikito petrol yulo tsangwana izinto zami ethi ngidobhe hayi vele brothers fela ngibeze emotweni vele azongidropa off ekhaya but angabi duze nasekithi because they know ukuthi nomntwana and umntwana ubani yabona. Uthi hayi athi ngibiza abafana benyawo pesi ukuthi bazongigugisa umthwalo. Uthi hayi awushozi vele ngiguge vele ngene endlini. Uthi vele mangicedela vele mangibuyela vele ngizomvalelisa umuntu angiphi imali athi treat yourself in well maintenance and everything alright. Kanti uJakalasi uceda indlela uyeza yabona. Uthi hayi vele umuntu vele kube umuntu ukuthi vele uyeza vele uzobona umntwana ngeweekend uzosibona nathi. Uthi makafika vele ekamareni makathi yabona vele ama-pampers abhakiwe wena everything yangwana ibhakile uyashuthi hawu ngabe uthi ze wena unamali manje kwenzeke kanjani ukuthi umntwana sabe nezinto eziningi. So girl was like angisho ukuthi sengenza iplan so esima kamntwana ngiyenzile iplan. Uthi umuntu vele aphume ngefoni uthi awushoza hayi mina ngiyaphithizela ngomntwana umuntu ngiyamuza vele ucall isikhathi eside vele ukhuluma ngefoni. Uthi hayi kathalana ngizwa vele uvele ubabam safonela bomamkhulu wami bora khadi yaka hothi no itlang this site uphinde bazomkhiphela amalobolo. Uri mina awushozi mind uguys azangipropose ngitshela ngamakhadi since akhuluma ukuthi ufuna ukungishada lesa sikhathi sisaqala ukujola. Throughout this time azangakhuluma indaba sokuthi ngifuna ukulobola ngifuna ukwenza umfazi wami azangasho next. Uthi hawu awushozi ngimangala abakhadi bafika bathi hayi wena phini thina sazi ubaba umntwana wakho uzobona umntwana chiki sakhipha amakhadi. Uthi umuntu organize nabo malume ethi yasi isiphithiphithi kuzokhitshela uphinde amakhadi without me knowing. Uthi hayi vele bafike vele abo malume mabam nami arrangeile masinya vele kube into esiphuthuphuthu bafika hayi sizokhipha sizocela uphinde somkhiphela amalobolo uthi abantu abadala abazwane vele ukhithiwe i-5,000 rand or awushozi nakulalo 5,000 kiportion yamakhadi bathi 5,000 rand lesikhiya amagate akekho umuntu ozomandla or ozofuna uphindi nathi ngapha uGeorge sothi uGeorge brothers uGeorge nathi makangathi asicaka nentombazana sizonifonela sintshe ukuthi isicakekile yabona. So kube like that or awushozi it was weekend kwenzeke weekend Monday Tuesday Wednesday ubrothers okay Monday Tuesday ubrothers yangifonela ukuthi you know what sizoqedelela amakhadi befuthi siyakuthatha. Hawu nangithatha yebo siyakuthatha ngeweekend so ngicela ukuthi usilungise salo resign lapha or awushozi nakutse kebereka ku government ampenekan inside ka government or lerato ke letlhole ke nto mo ke sa itsebeng or ithando umuntu inking or awushozi beku Tuesday Wednesday ngabe sengifaka ngisengiyaresign phela emsebenzini befuthi ngiyabatshela ngithi you know what befuthi angizosave notice befuthi today is my last day kuyacamana or awushozi excitement da hore phela batlon lobola batlon biba ngorosha uthi vele weekend sehle bele bakhiphe balance finds ama proof of payment because bathi sibona ngitheke khona traveling ngemali from a distance ngaba bathola tshorapho bayenza proof of payment ukuthi imali ibukhokheliwe kuyehliwe kuwenzansi khaba umfana phela bayiqhokisa thina bayasigqokisa bayasimbeza and everything vele kuba i-celebration enkulu kwabamnandi vele kabo umfana bale bang-accepta or like bohole monate like the celebration uthi October leso sikhathi October kwaba monati namphela sengithe yonke into yami ngithi vele sebangikhaphile vele sengiyasala vele emakhaya ura awushozi waba October kwaba November December umfana wangikhomba ukuthi mina kahle I'm not coffee color ngi black bamba nginyama usisi uthi yeki vele uthi like bekana 3 months already ngobufike bamlenze ngoSeptember, late September ngoba October, November, December. Uthi vele that December yena no brothers vele baba ne argument. Uthi like bona bajwayele ukuthi vele beba long distance relationship the whole time. So we first time ukuthi bahlale together like because of sebashadile. Uthi vele baba ne argument so brothers uthi bathi mshaya ngengimpamane or also ambetha kampama azange believe which because of like ningikwatile ngathi shaya la ngapha ngicela ukuthi ngeke ngishaya yo ngiyahleka ne uthi brothers yabo uthi or just ile auschosen no it was the first time I'm better kwaba kuqala ukuthi vele sengu abusive relationship umuntu uyangishaya vele uthi vele angishaya like that umntwana wazivele athi sekana 3 years uthi angishaya to like sen ukuthi umntwana amsojwayela ukuthi ngiyashaya uthi one time masihleli like sis maybe let's say it's like right so siyaqoqa so ngihlekela phezulu athi umntwana wami ucome running endlini thinking ukuthi ubaba wakhe so uyangishaya futhi alright awusozivele sihambe kanjalo isikhathi uthi hayivele January vele ngifind out ukuthi ngipregnant umntwana oboyi2 or awusozi I thought ukuthi final ngeke azangishaya uthi February saba kwi-argument uthi umuntu black sema ngipregnant like that uthi ngambuza ngathi if ungishaya like this awucanga ukuthi like isisu sami sizophuma na uthi guy was like that's the aim ukuthi asiphume masiphume or awusozi ngishaywe ku9 months yonke le pregnant bengishaywa umuntu or bekangishaya nomuntu le 9 months yonke bengishaya bese lengijwayele bekusele impilo engijwayele ukuthi this man uyangishaya once kwaba ne-argument encane ngiyashaywa once kwaba ne-argument encane vele mina ngizoshaya alright awusozi vele ngibe na 9 months fisikhathi ukuthi vele ngiyoteta uthi vele uthi leso sikhathi like my younger sister naye beka pregnant younger sister amohlala nomama back ekhaya beka pregnant abantwana bethu bashana nga 2 weeks uthi awusozi vele mama mangitshela athi no wathi ngoba wena simntwana okokuqala angeke ngizenze khona ungincedise ngumntwana so ngizoncedisa usisi wakho because of the first child yakhe uthi hayi no problem awusozi or awusozi the way lo muntu bangishaya khona pregnant like bengifake just ukugula ukuthi bangi-admit esibhedlela just for me ukuthi ngireste and then ngizocabanga ukuthi yo ngilishiya umntwana wami like my son usele emuva so ngize ngicela ukuthi ngicela ngidischarge ngendlini but the minute vele angishaya uthi like I will fake it ukuthi vele ke bangi-admit esibhedlela ukuthi ngiyagula uthi isikhathi ukuthi vele ngidede vele ngifike uthi ngihlele esibhedlela for a week before ngithola umntwana because abantwana bakhe abayi2 uthi abantwana bami boyi2 vele ngibathole ngisiza so like ngihlele a week esibhedlela uthi sisi nibelethe vele ngibe nomntwana umuntu vele azazongilala esibhedlela uthi umuntu mangilala esibhedlela to think ukuthi uzogugela ibag akukumntwana uthi guy like bongathi akahambi nami behamba phambili uye nekhesa zemoto fethere mina ngukumntwana omncane nguke nebag ngibame my 3-year-old son ngisandla uthi athi sisisa uthi futhi like azakhalemele security uthi no like ngeke umrashele umuntu la ubona ukuthi uceda uteta because bengihamba slow yena uhambela le phambili ungishila or how awusozi mangifika endlini umuntu vele asilinde vele ngihlise amabheki ngihlise nomntwana ngihlise nabantwana uthi mangivula eminyango like kuyanuka izitsha kunjani phansi kucwele nezintuthwane phansi uthi ngazi ukuthi lo mntwana ngimbeke ngaphandle ngiclean or ngenze uthi ngaleso sikhathi like I'm weak bengidinga ukuthi ngingafika ezingubeni ngilala uthi no wathi ngithatha ifoni yami ngifonela umama ngithi mina mama I can't situation is so I know what you said ukuthi ngeke ukhona ukuncedisa ngomntwana but like I need to ngiyawuxhoga at this moment kuphela otle utlonithusa uthi awusozi lathi nasihlala khona nasekithi it's about 5 hours drive ukuthi ufike khona so uthi my mother was like you know what ngizoza nanoma ngafika ebusuku ngizolala erenkeni and then ngizoza kuwe ekseni but like you must never tell your husband ukuthi khulume nami ukuthi ngizoza uthi okay sharp kube ngathi surprise uzobona umntwana or awusozi mind you my mother-in-law ukhona around uzwile ukuthi nginomntwana umuntu akangazanga uthi the following day vele ekseni ngabo 8 vele sifuthi umama vele akugode eminyango avela afike uthi awusozi my husband makabona umama was like yo mama ufike kanjani kusenso like my mom was like no ngilele renkeni mkhwenyana bengifuna uzobona umntwana phela ngizokuthi umntwana ukhona yo ngabe ushilo mose ngizokulanda lana seduze sisekudeni hey ufuna uthi umuntu azenze ngathi umuntu olungile awusuze ngoba ngare nake na sathani uthi hayi vele maka emsebenzini the following day uthi mama vele makafika vele ekuseni vele lo maka emsebenzini uthi mama vele wahlisa yonke into na curtain wona zingubona everything or akhatswa clean ngikhona ukuthi athi no wona hlala phansi mvuthu rest uzokhona uhila uthi clean umuntu clean mama clean awasha newashini. Or I was choose mind you as I wash even ne washing myeni because bengakhoni like I was so weak and mentally bengasi right because of the abuse and ukuthi ngicela ukwenza C-section I need ukuthi ngihlale phansi ngingasebenzi. Uthi okay sharp or I was choose on the third day khani umama zala azobona umntwana khani as uzwile ukuthi umama umkhona but uzwa ku day 3 azobona umntwana uthi I was choose me ola anatabaleni na gabotsebotse like beyas ampake ngibona ngakhona kangifuni uthi umuntu afike okay as vele azo naye athi no uzolala nathi uthi bekulaliwa ku mattress uthi umntwana makakhala athi yo umntwana lo usakhala namanje yo lo mntwana lo olike kube ngari ngwana ka hala umo irritate and then uzothi umama yo yazi mkhozi ite yakho ngiyalithanda uthi nje mama ngithi ushuthi lo muntu uthi wena umenzele ite uthi my mother didn't even mind bekayenza lokho but like lo mama lo behangana ndaba uthi vele waza wahamba uthi one time uthi before zohamba uthi one time umama mvele uyawasha like iwashing asiwashela vele uthi mina impahla zomyeni wami like bezikhetha yini uthi umama ngawasha ziphi yabona uthi nenama pocket vele ngiyacheck ukuthi kunani or awushozi angithi ngisearcha ipocket ngithola like a used condom ngaphakathi kwepocket or awushozi ngizame by all means uthi vele ngiyayifihla ukuthi umama ngaboni athi umama zala athi kumakoti athi no makoti kufanele ukuthi ujabule mawuthola izinto ezisokusho ukuthi vele nanoma kwenza ukubi but uyazivikela kusho ukuthi uvikela nawe kumele ukuthi like ube relieved ukuthi uyazi protect awushozi nahana kinalonga nomonyane from C-section umuntu yena obusy ulala ngaphandle namantombazana or awushozi umama mazangaza ngibuze and ngatry by all means ukuthi vele ngiyayifihla le ndaba ukuthi umama mangazi or awushozi after a certain period of time mama athi you know what or after isikhathi uma younger sister abe nomntwana after mina so my mother organize urahadi ukuthi ahamba ayocheckela asincedisa usisi wami uthi after isikhathi vele umama athi you know what let me go ngincedisa usisi wakho because ngibona ngathi bona so slow lamile or I was choose atama the very same night ahambe ngalo I was choose uthi mina nomyeni wami saqala ke kwabakucabaniwa kanjalo uthi umuntu alwa vele the very same day umama hambe ngalo because umama uspende a weekend to a month and 2 weeks yabona uthake tuhamba vele waliwa ngiyawala nabantwana kamareni wangafundela ngapha radu udonsela like mattress silale ngapha C4 labantwana bafuna ukuthi wenza so or awushoze umuntu wenasa batleselo nabadla just part of show fela into nanjay batla or kamufa sona vele asijade uyanyaka nkateng and then yadlula uthi awushoze kwenze ukuthi elinilanga vele umntwana vele uyashisa une fever yabona umntwana vele angalali uthi ngandlala phansi thinking ukuthi because uyashisa maybe mangilele phansi umntwana uzoba right or awushozi ngwana asanya kudidimala uthi ngashayilwa ukuthi wayengakhona ukuthulisa umntwana bangishayila ukuthi wayemntwana akhala ngathi just imagine this person umntwana wakhe but wangishayila ukuthi wayengakhona ukuthulisa umntwana uthi hayi ngithi uncane one time vele ngihambe vele ngesalon vele ngenza ama braids vele ngibe muhle or awushozi sathile ngwana still hona alle uthi awushozi bengilele phansi uthi umuntu vele wangibamba ngenwele uthi wangidonsa wangishayisa phansi ngikhanda athi wayemntwana rasa wayengakhona ukuthulisa umntwana fanele ukuthi ngifuna ukuthulisa umntwana or like to this day la ngidonse khona inwele like la ngidonse khona ama braids omaphuma uthi vele kelefaka akusamile inwele uthi to this day angikhulisa inwele because of each and every time abantu kwenzekeni sesalon bakwenzeni like bakulela inwele uthi ngishaya i-chiscope to avoid such questions because wamomyeni wangishaya ngaze ngaphuma enwele laziphume khona sisamile just because ukuthi umntwana bekakhala umntwana bayangakhona ulala bekushisa so mengifela ukuthi mina umntwana wami akakhona ukuthula okay awushozi this thing iqhubeke vele for 9 months uthi umntwana makathi 9 months vele lo ulasborn uthi one day vele alele uthi avuke vele angivuse athi you know what my wife I want to apologize izinto ngokwenze zona like I'm sorry like ngiyaku-abuse like I didn't mean to do that angazi ukuthi ngenwe yini kube umuntu apologize or ngiribuzo lo finally umuntu lezi lithapelo tsaka like lo muntu lo uyachange le family bengiyithandazela ukuthi abantwana bami bakhule under one roof nobaba nomama izoyenzakala so like excited ukuthi finally kulwabona or awushozi vele ukusiphile kamnandi ube right vele isikhashana uthi one time sibe ne-argument or awusitshoze ngibuza ukuthi ayenzani ugayi Guy wangitrapa on top of le apology ngiphe yona fake apology umuntu wangishaya uthi awushoza umuntu wangishaya that's when ngirealize ukuthi umuntu lo kanti uso uthi one time sihleli vele sijabulile vele kumnandi vele uthi hayi ukuthi umuntu uthi ngimbuza ukuthi kanti like why ufuna ungiphilisa like this why umbetha ngishayelani uthi guy was like hey mina Mekele mina this is who I am ngiso it's up to you to ufuna ukwenza njani but so or awushozi masibane argument angishaye uthi ngathi decide ukuthi you know what let me go to ifamily yakhe ngiyokhuluma nabo ngibatshela ukuthi umuntu wenzani uyangihlukumeza like emotionally physically and mentally kulobona uthi mangifike efamily yasekibo abantu basayida no brothers ukuthi mina bani ngimenzeni ukuze angishaye like abatry ukuthi bamkhalime ukuthi nomfazi akashwayo uthi hayi awushozi bambuza wena umenza ngoro motharipe awushapa uthi awushoze ayisengibonga ukuthi like manje sengifed up like lapho sisike relationship ye kahle ukuthi ngiyamthanda ngakuthi ngisamthanda or kanjani because like sithi fed up uthi one time ngikhuluma na ngithi you know what ngiyabona ukuthi uyangabuser and I won't rather so I think ukuthi is best ukuthi mina nawe ke like is umunye nomunye athatha isichopana sakhe uthi awushoze before ngizosho lokho asho athena ngeke azashibuka shintshile this is who he is and angeke avuka shintshile I need to accept it or leave uthi ngila ngabona khona ukuthi lo muntu lo kahle ambadle uthi ngakhumula iring yakhe ngamnikeza ngathi this is your ring ngayithatha uthi awusozi ayamukela umuntu iring uthi hayi sesiyaphilisana ngihleli because of financially I'm not stable remember ngimuvele ngidecide ngathatha nemali ama pension fund ngithola emsebenzini ngastarta over impilo ngapha na this person thinking ukuthi no I'm building a home for my kids only for me ukuthi ngizo abuse athi isikhathi sihambe remember phela manje siku separation amara siku separation uthi hayi ngihlaleke mina ngizitholele someone vele ingifleta naye uthi siflete no guys mind husband uthenga ama phone i2 ama iPhone wangiphili one wathathe A1 and then wangithela ne Apple Watch uthi one time wathathe Apple Watch wago through like ama messages wathola ukuthi mina ngikhuluma nalesi person how vele umuntu yangibuza uthi umuntu ngibuza futhi ngomoya phansi uthi how ngithola ama messages efonini wakho 123 yabona vele uthi I didn't deny because of mina ngomunye umuntu if into ngiyenzile like ngidludumela or awusichozile lo la ngwangishayila ukuthi wangivuma ngiphiki nokuphika why ngivuma ukuthi ngikwenzile or kuyafana awusoze even if nengizophika bayongishela ukuthi ngiyaphika uthi umuntu wangishaya waza wadela uthi how awusoze I'm in a point in my life la ngingasazi ukuthi ke bakala or I'm emotionally ahead and umuntu lo like ungidestroyile because of I've left a comfortable government job la ekhaya ngisuka ngithi ngiyobuilda umuzi only to find ukuthi ngiba nomuntu abusayo oy narcissist and umuntu like onganandaba and mind you brothers ke muthi wamolawo ngitshele kahle athi na I'm the law whenever ngathi uyabaleka uyemthethweni but remember the law I'm the law so uthi awusozi like sengifila sengihleli naye because financially I'm not stable I cannot chelete ngakhona ngiyisupport nale bana because ungiphi option ukuthi I can go back home or ngihambe ngiyofuna or ngihlalisane naye for the sake of the kids ukuthi ngikhulisa abantwana or ngihambe ngifuna room ngiyohlala lapho nabantwana bami so I'm with him now because of financially I'm afford anything or so uthi awusozi how umuntu lo muntu lona ne uthi hawo chikisa umuntu ama medication uphuza medication uthi ngisuspect ukuthi mali khona into wrong la kulo brothers kulobona uthi ngimbuza ukuthi kanti what's wrong uthi umuntu vela athi no nothing is wrong in yabona uthi hawo one time vele ngibheke vele uthi hawo mangithi ngihlangana nomshini vele lo ukuchecka vele ushukela uthi mangithi amapilisi vele ushukela lo muntu lo unomzimba like yakhona ubona like uhlafile or why athafa yabona uthi vele la ngavele bengiqadile uthi vele ngimlanda ngingasanda ukuthi umshaya uthi ngimbuza ukuthi kanti yini wangasho ukuthi uyagula in yabona why ufihle ukuthi uyagula athi hayi ngizoba right or awushoze and ngibona ukuthi nenduku phela ebandla ayisavuki ayisasebenzi so like ngisicala ukususpect lapho ukuthi kanti what's going on even though ku separation but kusali daba elikulobona so uthi ngisuspect lapho ukuthi man ikhona into off uthi hayi umuntu vele akhuluma iqiniso ukuthi no ne diabetic in yabona. So or awushozi like into vele isasebenzi that much uthi kube nomunye usisi vele ku TikTok like obulela ngadi traditional things ukuthi unganceda kanjani uma uphethe like ngibodi high blood sugar nindaba ukuthi into vele ayisavuke bandla yabona. Or awushozi vele nginbox umuntu kanti mind you uguy uzobona lo message ngibhalo sisithi indoda yami i-diabetic inenkinga so bengicela usizo lakho uthi umuntu vele athi yeah like wafuna uembarrass ukhuluma ngami ebantwini wafuna uembarrass or mind you awushozi lo muntu lokudala afeba ahamba yema then down alala yonke indawo azange mina ngize ngimtshele kona lokho kudala uyenza manje isikhathi sami ukuthi nami ngakwenza lokho. I didn't even say that mina like I was seeking help for yena ukuthi abe right, only to find out ukuthi umuntu yena ubona ngathi mina ngiyam disrespecta and ngimhlasa ngabantu. Mind you awushozi umuntu onale milomo holo, so ngiyamtshela ngithi ngoba manje u-diabetic ukuthi udle kahle yabona singasadli like body junk food uthi uguy athi manje suyangibody shame ngizohamba ngiyotshela ifamily yami suyangibody shame manje uthi mina I'm trying to find ways to help this person but then ubona ngathi mina ngiyam attack. Mind you lo muntu lo like bekafeva the whole 16 years of this relationship bekafeva, so now because of nuga isasebenzi ufuna ukuthi mina ngifeel guilty because of I'm trying to find help for him nokuthi ngabe mina ngithi you know what, suit yourself nginthono ibatla all these years ngihamba enjoy impilo yami but I'm still with this person. So bengicela ukubuza kini community yase ko TikTok and YouTube gore am I wrong na, or what should I do from here? Should I leave this relationship because I know ukuthi vele ifeel 16 years this 16 years nalo muntu lo it was 16 years of hell like khathetse ke ko fok situation akisana taba le dutse ngata but the fact is that I'm not stable angeke ngikhona ukusuka la nabantwana bayithu nohlala nabo because okay wangiphi go ahead idala wathi this is who I am, I will never change. So it's either uyangivuma ngiso or uthatha ishopana sakho uyaphuma nabantwana bakho. Hi guys, sisi advice if angimeo advice or ayitseng jwang because of like uzobuhlungu and to think ukuthi you wasted 16 years of your life nomuntu wrong. And sisi uthi ngiyafuna ukumiyeka but ngine fear of the unknown ukuthi ngiyophuma lana kwenzakalani mangithola another relationship ngaphandle. So I'm stuck here because of kina live here na Lord, this is what I know. 16 years kawfela kona ntwe kitsebang. So happiness, I've never been happy le motho mo. So I'm just wondering ukuthi uzowenzakalani if ngiyeka lana ngithi ngiqalisa phansi kabusha. So guys ngicela ukuthi ngipheni sisi advice ni. Bye guys.